thing. In at back. I'm going to take the this, put it in there. Lefty loosey. Put that on one side. Just pull this off here. And here is the here. Have a look in there. This is the gasket, which we're going to replace. If we can get any in that. Okay, I'm going to try with this. And I'm going to try. That's enough. So this comes out, and you'll see it's the same size as this one. This one is, take a brush, a cloth, give it a little bit of clean around there. Not that dirty. Then push this in. Apparently, we push this in just to seat it. Good. Put this with a basket in it. Again to seat it. It should be fully seated. Okay. Probably give this a bit of a clean while you're at it. That's clean. Pop the screw back in. So shopping's arriving outside. Screw. There we go, might be easier like that. Righty tighty. Probably not too tight. There you go. And that's it.